This cluster has no public IP. Every inbound port is closed. It's about to serve a real domain over HTTPS. Kaja connects to it with one command. The agent dials out, so you open nothing. Under a minute later, the cluster is active in your console. Point a project at a GitHub repository. Kaja builds it on your own hardware, from a Docker file or a build pack. No pipeline to wire up. Then you just push. Every push builds and rolls out, and every deploy is a numbered revision. Rolling back to any of them is one click. Traffic reaches your app through a gateway we run, back down that same outbound connection. Your API server stays unreachable, and we never hold a kubeconfig. Postgres, MySQL, Redis, and object storage install in one click and bind straight to your app. Logs, metrics, and a terminal into any container. Every cluster you own, one deploy button. Your compute is never metered, and it's free while in beta.